we have seen something called node sales in the past few months. This claims to be a fair way of launching your tokens because they offer 20, 30, sometimes 50% of the supply that's dedicated for the community. However, these node sales also raise at way too high of a valuation. So one of these node sales recently is called Sofon. They raised over $60 million. This number is way too big. Even if you have 50% of your supply dedicated to this node sale, your public investors in this node sale are still then effectively investing at a $120 million valuation. That is not low. Also, the other caveat is that these node sales usually have a very, very long vesting, something like 3 years plus. And they usually pitch it as passive income for your community. What happens is it's essentially just like an ICO, but they cannot call it ICO. Instead, they have some node mechanics and you have to run the validator node, but it's all the same thing, right? Your public investors buy these nodes and they feel like they're getting a good deal and a passive investment. But in the end, they buy these nodes at a high valuation, even higher than the VCs at sometimes, pretty crazy. And the lockup is 3 years plus, and that's even longer than the VCs. So it's the worst case among all of the rounds. So basically node sales are not a good deal. To follow my Bitcoin trades, go to virtualbacon.com for a copy trading tutorial.